Hello and welcome everyone. My name is Amit Patel and you are watching the show Musings with Software Engineers. If I want to build an application with integration of machine learning, what should I choose? Django or Node.js? See, machine learning is a way of coding. You can write a machine learning code in any particular language. You can write a machine learning code in Java. So you can even write a machine learning code in JavaScript. You can also write a machine learning code in Python. You can also write a machine. That does not matter. Okay. You have to understand the concept of machine learning. You have to understand where machine learning is used, and you have to understand the concept, how machine learning is used. And with one programming language, you have to do all the practice. Okay. So that you understand how the code works. After that, whenever you are on a project, at that particular time, you decide what you are going to use. Okay. You cannot decide right in the beginning that should I choose Django or Node.js? Okay, Node.js I think is more on the server side coding, and Django is Django Python. So Django and Python. So Python, there is a lot of machine learning already available within Python. So you can use Django. I feel that's what is right. Any programming language, you can write a machine learning code. So do you know from where machine learning comes? Machine learning comes because the first time, okay, somebody, so there was a World War II going on, and in the World War II, Germany had built one machine called Enigma. Okay, and this Enigma machine, it was a machine like a mechanical machine which was used for encrypting messages. If you know, in those days the messages were passed through what you call a Morse code, correct? So it was used to encrypt messages in a Morse code. Okay, and this particular messages were sent during the war, during the World War II. So what happened is that another scientist by name of Alan Turing from UK, he decoded this particular using another machine called Bombe. Okay, the machine learning comes from there. Okay, so these machine were able to learn what was the encryption code, and it was able to decode this message. That's why it is called machine learning. Okay, then it came to computers much later on. I don't remember, Andrew Simons or somebody by that name. He built a chess. He built a program of checkers. Okay, on a computer. Okay, in computer of those days. Okay, the giant computer of those days. He built a checkers program which would learn automatically based on the number of games it was playing, and from there this machine learning started. Okay, and later on, IBM in 1960 they started building the IBM Watson machine, which is one of the earliest machine learning. So if you think about it, machine learning is very old. It is as old as computers, or even older than the computers. Okay, it's only become popular just now. Okay, so machine learning code you can write in any programming language. You have to understand the theory behind writing the machine learning code. What are the patterns? How do you define that this is a machine learning code pattern? Correct. So that is what you have to understand. Thank you very much. Live starts every Thursday 9:05 p.m. Make sure you check out my program A Players. You can enroll into A Players. It will help. For experienced people, this is a must if you want to grow within your company. Next time, certainly I will take up your questions. Thank you very much.